everyone, my name is Kristin Hayes and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm going to be doing something a little different on my channel today. As a demonstrator, I can pre-order items out of the holiday catalog starting in August, which I've done, and I have the box here. I have not gone through it. The only thing I did was open it and grab out the catalog. I can show you the cover. I cannot show you what's inside the pages yet, but I can show you what I bought. So it's going to be a surprise for both of us, because what I tend to do is put everything I want in my cart, and I obviously can't get everything at once or ever sometimes, and then I take things out to get to the price I need to be at. So we're going to be surprised together as to what I pull out. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Gather Together stamp set. Now this is a fall stamp set, and it looks like you can use it for Thanksgiving. It's got some pumpkins, and if I'm not mistaken, let me look here. There are some, there's some dies that go with it. So let's just open that. Let's see here. Now this is a photopolymer set. I'll flip that over so you can see that. Hopefully I stay in frame. And then these are the matching dies. Let's see what we have. All right, so it looks like we have the pumpkins, some leaves. These are some extra leaves that aren't even in the set. This will cut out the big leaf. Oh, I love it. These are the little pumpkins and the, oh no, these are the little pumpkins. Why are there two? I wonder why. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Maybe it's something I'm missing in here, but we'll check it out as I make things, and I'll have to show you that after. So let me just slide this back in so I don't get everything confused, and we'll put that one aside. All right, next. Okay, these are exciting. These don't look so exciting, but these are dimensionals, which we already have, but these are black. So when you're working on your Halloween projects, they're not going to show under your, let me just pull off one of the, so you can see that they're black. So when you're working with the black cardstock, these are not going to show underneath. And these come in a package together, and we've got the regular size and they have minis. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out is the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set. This is great. This has all little sayings. They're cling, and you can see they're small. They're going to fit into any corner when you need just a little sentiment to your project. I love this. Just love it. Joy to the World. That's my favorite every year. I love getting a Joy to the World. My favorite Christmas carol. All right, this is an embossing folder, hammered metal embossing folder. I'll leave that in the package because the picture probably can show it better than taking it out. All right, we're all over the place here. These are some dies, so I'll put those aside till I get to the right stamp set. Oh, DSP. Okay, this, maybe we should do all the paper. Well, I'll do it as I come to it. This is the Wrapped in Plaid 6x6. Let's give it an open and take a peek as to what we've got inside. I love the vibrant colors in this. So pretty. Let's see. So let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of each pattern. And I'll just fan it out a little bit so you can see the different patterns in here. Oh, look at the reindeers, and the plaids on the other side are gorgeous. Look at that's got some, I believe it's copper in it. Let's see. Cherry Cobbler, Night of Navy, Shaded Spruce, Whisper White. It doesn't say, but I think that's the copper. These are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I know it seems like it's a little bit early for Christmas, but never for me. It's my favorite time of the year, and I do start crafting in August for it. All right, we've got some more catalogs. So if you're coming to my next class in August, I will be bringing the catalogs with me, so you can get a copy there. All right, more catalogs. All right, here's some ribbon. This is the Come Together, so this is going to go more for your fall projects. Come Together combo pack, and it looks like we've got maybe a Cajun Craze This looks like twine almost. Let's see if I can grab some scissors and open that for you. All right, let's see. Oops, only got the big ones here. I'm never good at opening these. There we go. All righty. So yeah, oh, this is a nice thin twine. Very pretty. And then this looks like, maybe it's crumb cake or Sahara sand. I'm not even sure. Let's see if I can get a start on that so you can see this as well. Whoop. There we go. Don't want to cut the ribbon. Oh, this is so pretty. It's satiny on the outside, and then it's got a nice trim finish woven on the inner side. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's get that out of the way, and we'll move on. Okay, we've got some dies. All right, so these are the Christmas Gleaming Cling Stamp Set. How pretty is that? And then these are I believe these dies go with it. So let's open these up quick and see. I love having a matching punch. I actually think there was a punch that went with this. Well, let's see. Maybe not. Maybe that's a different set I'm thinking about. All right. Oh, this is different. Okay, so I'll show you this right now. This is the ornate frames. This actually coordinates with a Halloween set that I did not buy, but I thought that these frames would be great for all year round. I just love their all different sizes, and I think they'll just be great for Christmas and any holiday, really, any occasion. So that's that. So this, I'm pretty sure this has a punch. So let me just take a peek and see if I can find. Here we go. These do. These have punches that go with them. So these are the two punches, and they coordinate with this. This one will coordinate with that, and then this one will punch this out. That's really nice. I like having the punch. Sometimes it's easier just to grab a punch than to grab your die cutting machine out. Okay, that's gorgeous. All right, let's see. This, I'm pretty sure, has framelits to go with it. This is the Peaceful Boughs stamp set, and this is a cling set as well. Look at how pretty that is. Let's see. Beautiful Boughs dies. This must be what I pulled out just a minute ago. Let's take a peek at these. All right, let's see here. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. So this is going to coordinate here. I wonder if you can stamp and then get the same. I think these are different shapes than, maybe not though. Oh, we'll have to try that out. This looks like it really, no, maybe it doesn't. Maybe you stamp these and then these you can cut out to use as extra pieces. Oh, how pretty. I can't wait to use it. This, I'm pretty sure, does do the pine cone, though. These two outlines will do the pine cone, and then this will just add more detailing if you wanted to do it without stamping. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let me just put this back in. All right. I'll fold that up later. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's see, this is, oh, they have these in 3 colors. I got this in the copper, and this is a pigment ink, and it's in the copper metallic. So these will also be in gold and silver, but I did only get one to start trying it out. That looks really pretty. All right, let's see, we've got, oh, I loved this. This is called Snowfront, and this is a photopolymer set, and I thought that this would coordinate really well with Waterfront. This is the Waterfront set that's in the annual catalog, and then this just is a little bit more Christmassy, and I thought the two would coordinate really well together. I think they're gonna go great. All right, let's put the Waterfront back, and this even has, look at the cute little snowman in the house. Oh, I love it. All right. Then we, oh, look at this ribbon. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is called, let's see, Real Red Curly Ribbon. Oh, it's so soft, and it's got a thinner thread to hold it together in that pattern. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look at how pretty it looks with even the other ribbon we already opened. Love it. Okay. Let's see, here's another ribbon. Oh, and this one actually coordinates with a different suite that I did not get in the catalog, but I've been using so much of the Seaside spray that I thought I could use it with projects I'm working on now, and then later on get the suite that it goes with, or the suite that this goes with. Look, it's got some silver sparkle in it. Very pretty. Hope it's picking that up. Let's get that plastic off me. It's gonna stick to everything now. All right, so we have one more stamp set in here, and this is the Perfectly Plaid Photopolymer set. I love this, and it does have a matching punch to punch those trees out. So you've got a more realistic tree, one in plaid, some other styles, some pine cones, and some pretty sayings. You always need to have a good Merry Christmas for your Christmas crafting. All right, let's see what else we've got. We've got some more ribbon. I did buy a lot of ribbon. Okay, so this is, I didn't buy any Halloween sets, believe it or not. I just, I don't know, I love them, but my classes, my women that come don't usually send Halloween cards, so I don't know if we're going to even make one this year, but I could change my mind. We never know. So this is but this will go with any time of year. This is beautiful. The scalloped edge ribbon, and this is in basic black. And then this gorgeous ribbon is a ruched ribbon. Oh, this is bigger than it looked like online. Let's take a peek. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's got the satin trim and the ruching in the middle, and this is in real red. Beautiful, beautiful. I love ribbon, if you can't tell. Okay, so then the last things I have are just some DSP that I bought. Oh, look at this. This is real red glimmer paper. Perfect for holidays. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what else I got. Just a couple more. Oh, this coordinates with the ornaments in a suite, and there is some gold, or I think it's copper, actually, copper elements that go with it too, that you'll see in the holiday catalog that I didn't buy today, but we'll see. So these are the patterns in it, and you can see the gorgeous copper in it. So one side has the copper foil, one side is more plain, but pretty, pretty patterns. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Let's see. Just a couple more here. I'll show you. Actually, this might be the last one. Yep, that's the last one. Oh, what a pretty, pretty DSP set. All right, so I think I have two more. Nope, maybe three more here. Okay. Oh, this is the fall. This is called Come Together DSP. And this one, look at those pumpkins. Oh my goodness. When I look online to order, we don't get the catalogs right away. It never does it justice as when you see it in person. So let's open this up. So we've got pretty plaid on this side. Oh, this is nice. Some leaves. That's a beautiful plaid. And this will coordinate with the ribbon I got as well as that first stamp set we looked at. Look at how pretty those pumpkins are. I don't know. I love pumpkins. My favorite. Some wood texturing. Some little pumpkin pattern. Oh, look at that. That looks like it's a piece of fabric. And then this is the last one. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, we'll slide that back in over here. And then let's see, I have 2 more pieces in here. Okay, this is just some extra copper foil I got because I noticed that we were having, there was copper foil in the other DSP and I was low on some. So I did just get, I'll just show you quick. But this is just the, oops, I'm so sorry for that. This is just the plain copper foil that's in the annual catalog that I ordered some extra of. And then this is our last one. This is the Let It Snow Specialty DSP. And we'll pull this out and take a look at it. Oh, look at the trees. They have sparkles. I wonder if the camera will pick that up. Let's see if I hold it closer. The white sparkles in person. It's so pretty. And then you just have a striped pattern. Oh, the snowmen as well glisten. Oh, how cute. And then the hats. Oh, this is so much cuter in person than it was online. Look at it. Look at the little snowmen. Oh, and the patterns are excellent. Oh, I just love it. Did I miss one? No. Oh, look at. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So anyways, that is my first order out of the holiday catalog. Not as big as a lot of people get, but I was happy I could get what I did. Thank you so much for watching, and all of my links will be listed below. Bye-bye.